In the algebraic structures, we left over with two topics called rings and fields. Okay. Yes, we'll discuss that particular topic. Rings means we often define more than one operation on a set. If there is a set and one operation that we have seen, but more than one operation on a set, which is called ring. So we often define more than one operation on a set. For example, in Zn, we can do both addition and multiplication modulo n. Okay. So that means addition modulo means the remainder. Okay. You are supposed to take two elements and add it and modulo with some n. And also you can do multiplication modulo. So two operations that you can do on one set. If you can do like that, then that situation is said to be rings, or that particular way of calculation is said to be rings. So a ring is a set together with two operations. So we have seen previously the domain, subdomain, okay, groups, subgroups, okay, cosets. These are the concepts we have seen, where we perform one operation. Now, if you can do the two operations on a set, then it's said to be a ring. So it is a ring, definition. A ring R is set together with the two binary operations plus and multiplication, satisfying the following properties. R comma plus is a commutative group. Multiplication is associative. The distributive law holds in R, that is A plus B cross C is equal to A cross C plus B cross C. C cross of A plus B is equal to C cross A plus C cross B. So whenever these three are holds, then it is said to be ring. Okay, in ring, the first the first operation should form the commutative, should follow the commutative law. Next operation should follow associative, and should also be distributive. If these three holds, then it is said to be ring. And we are going to perform two operations on a set instead of one operation. Is Z comma plus star a ring? So Z comma plus is commutative group, star is associative, plus distributes over star. Obviously, it is a ring. Z comma plus comma min a ring. So Z comma plus is commutative, as we have seen previously. Min is associative, but plus does not distribute over minimum. If you add two elements and if you want to find out minimum, okay, then it will not be a distributive. So minimum of 1 plus 3 comma 2 is not equal to minimum of 1 comma 2 plus minimum of 3 comma 2. So that is the reason Z of Z comma plus comma minimum is not a ring. Set of M star n Z valued matrices comma plus n star. So M cross n matrix for M is equal to n. If you look at that is 3 by 3 matrix, 4 by 4 matrix, like that. It is commutative group with respect to plus, the same dimension. Star is associative, plus is distributed over star, so it is S. Set of polynomials with real coefficients plus comma star. Obviously, it is a commutative group with respect to plus, and star is associative, and plus is distributive over star. So whenever you have been given a polynomial equation, then you can convert it to matrices. So for example, you have x cube plus x plus 1. You can make it as a matrix. Okay, x cube plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. X square plus 1 is equal to 0, or 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. So here x cube is the highest power. So you are going to take the the coefficient of that. Okay, 1 into x cube plus 3x, x cube plus x plus 1. So x cube is 1 here, x square is not there, so 0. Okay, x is there 1, constant is there 1. So 1 0 1 1. Okay. Like that you take all the polynomials. So you will be having the equal set, right? That is 4 by 4 or 3 by 3, what, depending upon the power of the. So here in ring you have unit rings, where you will be having in this unit ring division ring, multiplicative identity, multiplicative inverse will be there in that. Commutative ring. So here multiplication is commutative. So if you have the division ring and commutative ring, if you combine this, then it is said to be field. Okay. Group, subgroup, these are, we have seen, we are performing one operation on a set. Ring is one that we are performing two operations. In this ring, you will be having two categories, unit ring and commutative ring. In this unit ring, you have division based ring. So if you combine commutative ring and division based ring, then that is said to be field. So here we will be having multiplicative identity, multiplicative inverse, and multiplication is commutative. Fields. A field F is a set together with two binary operations, plus and multiplication, satisfying the following properties. Previously, we have seen three properties for the ring. Now, F comma plus is commutative group. F minus 0, that is null, whatever is there. F minus 0 comma star is commutative group. The distributive law holds for F. The reason is you cannot go for division with 0. So you have to take it out 0 and you have to go for. So A plus B star, cross C is equal to A cross C, A plus B cross C. Now is Z plus star a field? No. So Z comma star is not at all a group. What about R comma plus comma star? So it is a group. And what about Zn and modulo n? That is addition modulo n and multiplication modulo n. Only when n is prime, Zn comma star n is a group only for prime n. So this is what the field and rings and fields concept.